Unit 3, Boolean Expressions and If Statements, Topic 3.3, If-Else Statements. Programmers incorporate selection into code as a way of providing instructions for the computer to process each of the many possible input values. This allows your program to make decisions. We will continue branching logical processes by using conditional statements. Previously, we looked at one-way selection. What if we wanted to program more options in a two-way selection? Let's look at the structure of a two-way selection or an if-else statement. It starts with the keyword if, followed by a condition or Boolean expression within parentheses. If the condition or Boolean expression evaluates to true, the code inside the curly braces will run. What happens if the Boolean expression does not evaluate to true? You could just have your program move on, or you can program another option. To do so, you would write an else statement. You start by writing the keyword else. Notice that the keyword else is not followed by a Boolean expression. It implies that if whatever is before does not evaluate to true, then run the code within the following curly braces. A two-way selection is written when there are two sets of statements, one to be executed when the Boolean condition is true, and another set for when the Boolean condition is false. In this case, the body of the if is executed when the Boolean condition is true, and the body of the else is executed when the Boolean condition is false. Just as before, if the Boolean expression evaluates to true, the code within the curly braces will execute. If this happens, your computer will ignore or skip over the else statement. Notice that the keyword else is not followed by a Boolean condition. It implies that if whatever is before does not evaluate to true, then run the code within the following curly braces. We can represent this two-way selection with the following flowchart.